This is Rivet's new favorite toy, and it is very cool. Basically, it's got this big spinning thing, and the dog can turn it. She knows that this is what I'm doing, and the treats go in each of those little spots. And it's very fun and exciting, as you can hear, because she can't wait for me to fill this up. Okay, I'm going to fill it up now. And as you can see, she's getting very impatient because it is just that much fun. This is what's going on next to the table. Okay. Almost done. Almost done. Okay, let's put some on the top. Yes, I know. Yes, okay. Okay, it's all filled up and ready to go. And Rivet, of course, still cannot wait. So I need to pick it up and put it on the floor for her. Okay, baby, sit. Good girl. Okay, here she goes. Now she's turning each of the layers in order to get a treat. Good girl! I need to figure out how to make this thing harder for her because she's very smart. She's very fast. Okay, you're making this look really easy, sweetheart. Good girl. There's more.